it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a pack with me as I'm getting ready for us to go on our last family trip for the summer. We are going on a 5-night Disney cruise for our 10th anniversary and taking our 4-year-old and 1-year-old girls with us. So I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I'm packing for myself, some of the things I'm packing for the girls, and just kind of showing you how I'm going to be able to fit it all into just a few carry-ons and a couple of backpacks. So we're going to start with my stuff. This side over here is like my clothing. And then over here, I'll show you in a minute, just some other like random things that'll be coming in either my suitcase or that I'll be sticking in my husband's or my daughter's. So starting over here, I'm planning on bringing these 4 Disney shirts. There is laundry facilities on our ship, and so we're planning on doing laundry partway through our cruise, just so we don't have to pack all of our stuff that we need for an entire week, because we're going to be getting there the day before our cruise, and then we're leaving to come home the day after our cruise. So I'm just bringing 4 shirts, and then plus whatever I'm wearing on the plane the day that we get there. So we'll just have to do laundry partway through, and that'll just help save on a lot of space. Over here on my bottoms, I have a pair of just black biker shorts. These ones have pockets on them, which are really nice. And then I have just a pair of light wash denim shorts, and then just a pair of black joggers just to kind of be comfy in the evenings. On Disney cruises, you don't really have to like dress up for dinners too much. So I could just wear like my shorts and my t-shirts and be totally fine and fit in with a ton of people. But I do like to dress up just a little bit for some of the dinners. It's just kind of fun to get to wear something different. So I brought this cardigan that I'm planning on just putting on top of any of the t-shirts that I might be wearing that day. And I can just wear this with one of my t-shirts. And then I have just a basic black like pencil skirt. And then this is like a knee length, just basic black dress. So I can wear that with my cardigan. I can wear this by itself. I can wear my skirt with a t-shirt. I can just kind of mix and match depending on what I'm feeling that night. And then I also packed just one set of workout clothes. There are fitness facilities on our ship, and I probably will just be using those on like our at sea days, which we will have 2 of them. So one outfit is totally fine to do that. And then I also just have a pair of pajamas. I have a pair of just like slipper sock things that I like to wear, especially at night when I put like lotion on my feet because my feet get really dry. And then I'm packing 2 swimming suits for myself, just this cherry one piece. And then I have this like cheetah and black tankini set that I like. And then for cover-ups, I just have another pair of just black shorts that I can wear as a bottom, and then if I want to, put a t-shirt on top. Or I also have a pink dress that I can use as a cover-up. This is actually the same dress as the black one, just in a different color. And then for my hat, I'm going to be bringing this hat, and then I also will probably bring a baseball hat as well. And then I don't have them here, but I'm going to be wearing my black Birkenstocks, and then I'll pack my pair of Chacos and pack a pair of tennis shoes for working out. Okay, so over here, the first thing I have is this passport holder. I've never actually had one of these before, but it has like a little handle you can hold, and it zips closed and it has a bunch of pockets on it. But since there are 4 of us, I thought this one would be good because it has space for plenty of passports, and also has like a folded pocket here or in a zippered pocket to put vaccination cards as well. So I can just keep all of those things in one little folder and just keep that in my backpack as we're traveling. This you saw me talk about in my last video, but I'll just keep like my wired headphones, AirPods, charging cord, Kindle, some gum, a pen, other random like little things, and just stick this in the seat pocket in front of me when we are flying, so that I'm only digging into this instead of digging through my entire backpack and diaper bag to get things. Also, since we're going on a Disney cruise, I have my ears. I have this pink set and this blue set, as well as in here is a little like baby set for Isla, and I have a few other pairs for the girls to wear as well. These ones just happen to keep all together. The other ones are from the dress up bin. And these I got from an Etsy shop that I can link in the description below. And then what else? Here's some other like random things that I think are going to be nice to have. I'm bringing just a random tote bag. This is one that I've taken to Disneyland the last time we went, and it's just helpful to have like an extra tote bag if I need to haul like towels or water bottles or something around the ship. I just figured it doesn't take up much space and it would be easy to have with us. This is a little nightlight that can plug in into the bathroom or in the in kind of like the hallway of our stateroom, just because at nighttime it can be super, super dark. So I thought this would be helpful, especially if we have to like help take Lucy to the bathroom in the middle of the night or something like that. So this is just from the dollar store, and I've tested it in our bathroom and it works really well. So hopefully that will work for us. And then these you saw in my Prime Day haul. What these are these little hooks that you can screw into these magnets. And then you can just hang these up on your stateroom wall, and this will help hold like backpacks or lanyards or hats or just any like lightweight thing, because all of the walls in your stateroom are metal. And so I thought this would be a good way to help kind of organize our chaos, especially with 4 of us sharing one stateroom. I thought this would be a good way to help kind of keep us organized. I have these motion sick bands for Lucy. You saw these also in my Prime Day haul. I do also have a couple pairs for Ben and I that I need to go find and make sure that those get packed as well. We use these in addition to using like Dramamine or motion sickness medication, just as kind of an extra layer. We start with these, and then if we're still feeling sick, we'll also take medication as well. So I just thought these would be good for Lucy because she does get motion sick fairly often when we're driving, especially like up in the mountains. So I'm assuming she's going to not feel well for part of our cruise. So hopefully these will help her. Here, this is just my travel jewelry case, so I'm going to take some necklaces and a couple different sets of earrings for that. This is a compactable backpack. I thought this would be good for our excursion days, to help carry like swimming suits. One of the days we're going to like a sea turtle sanctuary place, rehabilitation center, and we'll have to ride like a bus or get a taxi, and so I thought this would be helpful just to kind of keep some of our stuff contained. And it's super lightweight and more breathable. So we'll have this and probably our diaper bag as well. Maybe not, just depending on how things work out, but this doesn't take up that much room, and I thought it would be helpful to have. We also have a bag of travel-sized sunscreen for the girls and for us. And then this is just a little container from the dollar store. I thought this would be helpful to help store the girls' shoes, and maybe even ours when we're in the stateroom, just to kind of help keep things organized, or we can have them put like their toys or I don't know, random kind of things. I just thought this, again, folds up super, super small, won't take up room in our suitcase really. So this would be helpful, or could have the potential to be helpful, I guess. In terms of like beach things, we're going to bring 2 of these little waterproof cases for our phones. It just helps keep the water and the sand out. We have this little travel size beach blanket that we like. It comes with little stakes in here, so you can stake it down so it doesn't blow away. And then we'll pack all of that in this ginormous beach bag. We got this a couple years ago, and it holds so much. There's tons of pockets on it. So there's like, I don't know, maybe 6 pockets on the outside, maybe even 7, that are all super big. And then it's super spacious inside. I mean, it can easily hold towels for all of us, plus sunscreen and a bunch of other stuff. And then there's this like closed pocket that we like to keep like phones or cash or things like that, and that can't really like be seen. And then it is mesh, and so all of the sand just falls out, and we're not like bringing home sand with us. So that'll be good to take, and we've taken that on a couple of beach vacations before, and it's worked really well for our family. And then these are just collapsible sand buckets. We're probably not going to take all 3. We'll probably just take 2. And then you can open them up, and they, become like a full-size sand bucket. And these ones are cool too, because you can fill them with sand to make sandcastles, and there's actually like designs in the bucket to make it look like a sandcastle. So these are on sale for like, I don't know, maybe $10 for this pack of 3. We've had one collapsible bucket, but I know Isla is going to want one. So I just bought a couple new ones and figured these can just be like our dedicated travel ones. And then we'll just grab a couple of our smaller like shovels and rakes and other beach toys to take with us, for the girls to play at the beaches we're going to be going to. And then what else did I miss up here? So I have my medicine bag. This has like our seasick pills, Tums, allergy medication, ibuprofen, Excursion, those kinds of things in there. And then I have a pop-up hamper for laundry. I also have this collapsible duffel bag that we can also use for laundry, or if we need an extra suitcase coming home, we can use this as one of our carry-on items and then check one of our suitcases if we need to. And then because this is a Disney cruise, door decorations are like a cool thing. So I made door decorations with our names on them to put on our stateroom door, just for fun. I just made those on my Cricut with cardstock. And then I also got this cute little Minnie Mouse fanny pack for either me or Lucy to use and wear, just to kind of hold like our key cards, sunglasses, my phone, chapstick, just kind of random little things like that I don't want to be hauling like a backpack around for, but I do want to keep on me. So we will have that to use as well. So those are the things that I'm going to be packing for me and my family. Next, I'm just going to do just a time lapse with some music of me actually like packing, packing the stuff into the suitcases. And I'll kind of share, you'll be able to see some of the things that I'm packing like specifically for the girls. I'm planning on bringing 3 swimming suits for them just because I know they're going to be wanting to play in the water a lot. And there's nothing worse than trying to get a wet swimming suit onto a baby or a preschooler. So I'm going to bring 3 swimming suits for them. Also a few other things. I'm going to be bringing some extra mini ears for them. And they have some princess like dress up dresses that we'll be bringing for them to wear when they meet the princesses and do character meetups. And then I'm also bringing a few fun like Disney specific airplane things for Lucy that you'll probably see when I'm packing her carry-on. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Bye.